Well, hello. This is Mask Monday, and I am Mary. This is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I am putting on a peel-off mask. And y'all, I had gone to the Dollar Tree, and I was looking for Freeman masks because they are easy to peel and they don't hurt. And they had one, but it wasn't a peel-off mask. So I decided just to see what I had at home. It's been a while since I've done a peel-off mask, and I found this. Can you see all that crazy glitter in there, y'all? Crazy. I'm getting it started because it does take a while to dry. This is from Glam Glow. This is the Gravity Mud, and they do have this on their website. Maybe not this one anymore. This one is pink glitter mask, and you put it on and let it dry. So I'm going to get it all on, and then we'll see how long it takes to dry. I won't keep you that long, but I have a couple things to show you from Dollar Tree. So let me get this on. I just wanted to show you when you're doing a peel-off mask, you should know your skin. In my opinion, a lot of people, young people do peel-off masks, and the cats are racing through the house. And it's great for young skin. I think if you have oily skin especially, but it does help get rid of some dead skin. And I just haven't done one in a long time, so I thought I would do it. I do use exfoliators and things like that about once a week. So, but since I found this, I thought I'm gonna use it and show y'all because I hadn't done one in a while. You want to be careful and not get it in your hair, which I just did, but this particular mask isn't difficult. There are some masks, especially at the Dollar Tree, that you can get in the package that will kill you to peel off. Like you may have to go to the hospital to have them removed. They're so bad. So maybe not that bad. But if you have a mask that you put on that you cannot remove, I would suggest wetting washcloth nice and warm and holding it and try to get it off that way, because some of them can really hurt you. So you have to be careful. Hello, kitties. The kitties are having fun. So just don't get it too close to your hairline, but like I said, this particular one won't hurt. Like I just got some in my eyebrows because that's what I do. And it won't hurt to take it off. So, and this is super cool. I know it looks wet, but it's also, that's all glitter in there, all glitter. So, and then this I got from Boxycharm years and years ago. It was a 2-set brush kit for putting on masks. And this one is silicone, so this one is good for this type of masking. And then the other one was for like a liquid mask, or one that's more like a moisturizer that you would put on and then wash off. So this is from Glam Glow, Hollywood, California. These are rather expensive masks, and I got this at a discount. So anyway, it's leaking all over, got glitter all over me. So let me show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. I hope you all are doing something to take care of yourself today, and I hope you had a great weekend. It's been very, very hot everywhere. Very hot here. So I did get a couple of birthday cards just because, do we send out birthday cards much anymore? It also helps to dry a mask like this. If you fan it, it will help to dry. Usually it's dry within a half an hour, 15 minutes, 45 minutes, depends on your skin really. But I got some birthday cards, and then I like to look at their thank you cards that are in packages. And y'all, the thank you cards used to be in packages of 8. See, 8 thank you cards. They have these, this is the Hallmark brand, Expressions, and they have these at the Dollar Tree. They also have them at Dollar General. And Dollar General, they're still $1. Dollar Tree is $1.25. I asked at my Dollar Tree if there was any items that was over $1.25, and they said no. Everything in my store, it's a small store, it's still $1.25. They did then though say when I was checking out that they realized that they do have one $5 item And those are the number balloons. You know, so those giant number balloons, like you're gonna put, you know, 50, 5, and 0. Those are $5 each for them, and then they put the helium in them. So those are $5. Otherwise, everything else in the store is $1.25. So I looked, they have 4 racks of cards like this. Some are invitations, some are blank cards you can write whatever you want in. Like this is blank inside, but it does say thank you on the front. I've had these before, they're pretty. There's 8 in here, $1.25, except not really. The ones that are 8 are still $1. So this rang up as $1. I don't know why they didn't ring it, why they don't charge $1.25, because nobody would know these are leftover maybe from when things were $1. But this rang up as $1 for 8 cards. And I got these as well. These are very pretty. They don't have any, they're blank inside, but so you can write whatever you want. You don't, you know, you can just write a note to a friend. Very pretty. 8 notes, $1. This is also the Hallmark Expressions. They have the cards and they have the envelopes. So these 2 I got for $1 each. And next I found, these right here are one of my very favorite cards. I send them out a lot with giveaways and things like that. These are thank you notes, again, Expressions by Hallmark, and they're just super cute. They've got the kitties on them. This is a pack of 6. So that's what they changed. They changed from the 8-pack to the 6-pack. This is $1.25 for 6. This is $1 for 8. There were no more 8s that I could find that of things that I like. There were invitations, but I don't need invitations. I need thank you cards or blank cards. So I did get these. I thought, well, I'm going to get a few of these. So once I got done picking these 3 6-packs, behind these 6-packs now are 4-packs. So I got these each for $1.25, 6 of each. And the next package behind it of the cats were 4-pack for $1.25. So that's what I noticed looking at all the cards. I was there a little while, that they're all moving toward a 4-pack for $1.25, which is still, I guess, a good deal. But, you know, they didn't know about things being raised to $1.50. They said that is not in stone. That's a media thing. So is that going to happen? I don't know. I also got one other package. This was a 6-pack. Behind this 6-pack was a 4-pack. But these are pretty. I've had this before. I've received these from other people before. It's a nice coffee cup or teacup on a saucer with flowers in it. So I am stocked up for thank you notes, and you know, got quite a few of them. And then I also found this. I went up and down every aisle because I haven't done that in a while, and I just wanted to see what they had going. And I hardly ever look at the pet supplies because there's really not much that I can get for my pets. Blue's coming through. Don't sit on this sticky stuff. It'll be trouble. It'll be trouble. But oh, he's gonna move. He's so funny. It's like he listens to me now. I found this and I thought this was the cutest thing. So this was $1.25, and it has a rubber back. This is like one of those mats that you put down. You know, you're washing dishes and your dish drainer is full, so you need to put some things down on the side. And I have several of those. You know, I have the watermelon one I had in my last Dollar Tree collab that I was in. So it's like that. So it's washable, I think. I don't know about this sort of rubber feeling, how that will take to washing. I think it'll be okay for a little while. It won't last forever. They had this in beige, or this is like it's hard to tell, but it's sort of like a greenish. And they also had a light blue, which I like the light blue, but then I was thinking, you know, if this gets stained, this might be easier to be a darker one. So my cats have some water fountains, and one likes to splash. And so this, I'm gonna put the water fountain on top of this to help with the splashes. So it says that it's 100% polyester. And that was the cutest thing, I thought. And that was pretty much what I got this time at the Dollar Tree. I didn't pick up any snacks this time. Yeah, I didn't. So I am in a collab that's going on now and will end Saturday. I believe it will end on Saturday. It is the Mystery Box Bonanza. And we had so much fun doing that, y'all, because I've told you a couple times now, I'm so impressed with everybody's got great boxes. It was a lot of fun. It was a lot of fun to find a mystery box that we wanted and to show you what was in them. And it just was a lot of fun. And we have price ranges from rather inexpensive to expensive boxes. So check that collab out if you haven't already. It is hosted by Tracy and Chloe, Unboxing, Beauty, and More. And also Miss Jackie Russell is her co-host in that collab. And Reviews with Sue, Jessie Miller, Unboxings and More, Favorites with Laura, Robin's Reviews and More, All Things Arlene, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Beautifying MZ, which is Mary, Taylor Marie, Erlene S, and me. And it ends on Saturday, and we all might have picked different times to end it. So when it ends, there will be 12 winners. Every one of us is doing a giveaway, and we'll each pick a winner quickly, and hopefully quickly, because then Tracy and Chloe are going to put those 12 names on a spin wheel, and one person out of the 12 winners will win a grand prize of a gift card for $60, because we all contributed $5. And I believe the gift card is either, you can choose for Target or for Amazon, because that would be the easiest for Tracy to get. And if you don't have a Target by you, you can use it online. If you on Amazon, of course, you use it online. So it's easy to do. It's easy to put it into those places to use. And unless that's changed, now those details may have changed, but I think that's it. So go check out all our channels, y'all, and watch those videos and subscribe to everybody. And you have to be publicly subscribed. And I have talked till I'm blue in the face for the last 3.5 years about being publicly subscribed. And I have a playlist with just one video in it that says how to make your YouTube account public. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you've never done it, which means you need to go watch that video or ask questions about how to do it. It's very simple, and it doesn't bother anybody. Just when you start an account on YouTube, for your privacy, YouTube makes it private. And nobody can steal your information. How much information is on there? If you're just watching videos, it's just your name, which is usually something that YouTube made up for you, right? So don't worry about being public. It shouldn't cause any trouble that I've ever seen. I've never heard anybody say it caused them trouble by being public. Some people do like to remain public because they have clients or something that they don't want to see who they're subscribed to, and that's understandable. So you can be, when I do personal giveaways that are just with me, you don't have to be public. But for collabs that I'm in, you almost always have to be public. So check that out, y'all, because we care very much about y'all. We appreciate y'all for being around and being subscribed to us, and we want y'all to win some goodies. So y'all take care, count your blessings, have a wonderful Monday, and enjoy the week. And I hope that you're safe and keeping safe in this heat. Y'all be careful and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Do something to take care of yourself today. Oh, I'm going to come back because I'm going to peel this off. I forgot about that. I'll be back. I'm back, y'all. And let's get started on this. Smudges right here. Sometimes it's hard to find a starting point, but you want to be careful. Oh, it's a little wet there. I thought it was dry. I thought it was completely dry. See, look at how it looks. Start up here then. See, it doesn't hurt at all. This one doesn't hurt at all. And it's in my hair. It doesn't bother me. In my opinion, you need to be careful when you're pulling on your skin. See, like right there, you don't want to do that. You don't want to pull the skin around your eyes just because it's not good for your skin to be pulled. Now, other people will rip it off and be really happy about that. And, when I was younger, I would do that. But it's just not good for your skin. So when I do around my eye, sorry, I'm looking in a mirror over here. I hold my skin down to pull it off. because I don't want to stretch, you know, I'm old. I don't want to stretch my skin and make it ready for more wrinkles. It feels good. It feels good coming off. And it's supposed to, you know, remove a lot of dead skin. There's still going to be a little bit left on me, so I will just be careful. You know, I'll have to wash some of this that stayed on. I'll have to wash it off. Be careful. You know, you don't want to pick at your skin. So if you get a chance to get this in Boxy or something, it won't be in a tube. I haven't seen it in a tube in a long while. What I have is pretty old. But try it out, y'all. Hope you saw all that glitter in there. It's so much fun. Y'all take care. I already did my exit, so we'll leave it at that. Bye-bye.